Welcome back to the Bike Buzzin' channel, where today we'll be diving into one of the most iconic motorcycles on the market, the 2025 Royal Enfield Classic 350. This classic cruiser has been a fan favorite for years, and with the 2025 update, Royal Enfield is setting new standards in the retro bike segment. Let's take a closer look at what makes the 2025 Classic 350 even more irresistible. Designed timeless with a twist. The 2025 Royal Enfield Classic 350 stays true to its roots, retaining the vintage aesthetics that have made it a symbol of style and ruggedness. The iconic teardrop fuel tank, wide chrome accents, and round headlamp all remain. But this year there's a refined edge with new color schemes and upgraded detailing. Royal Enfield offers a fresh range of matte and gloss finishes, bringing a more modern flair to the bike without losing that old-school charm. The retro vibe is perfectly balanced with a more contemporary approach to design. Performance smooth, powerful, and efficient. Under the hood, the 2025 Classic 350 continues to pack the 349cc air oil-cooled engine that delivers a smooth, torquey ride. But there's a noticeable improvement in refinement and fuel efficiency. The engine now produces around 20 horsepower, paired with a 5-speed gearbox, giving the bike better highway performance and easier city commuting. Whether you're cruising down the open road or weaving through city traffic, the 2025 Classic 350 feels confident and composed, and with the improved exhaust system, the signature Royal Enfield thump is more pronounced than ever. Technology, modern features, classic feel. The 2025 Classic 350 is more than just a pretty face. Royal Enfield has introduced key tech upgrades, including a fully digital instrument cluster that retains the retro dials, now enhanced with a digital display for things like trip meters, fuel efficiency, and gear position indicator. Additionally, the 2025 model comes with a dual-channel ABS system, ensuring better control and safety, especially in unpredictable road conditions. The ride quality is enhanced with an upgraded suspension setup, providing more comfort for long-distance rides. Ride and handling a perfect balance. One of the most praised aspects of the Classic 350 is its handling, and in 2025 that's even more refined. The new Pirelli tires provide better grip on both wet and dry surfaces, while the upgraded twin-tube telescopic front forks and twin shock absorbers at the rear give you a smooth, planted feel. This bike is designed for riders who appreciate a comfortable yet engaging experience. The Classic 350 is equally adept at tackling city streets as it is at cruising along highways, making it a perfect all-rounder. Pricing and availability worth the investment. The 2025 Royal Enfield Classic 350 is expected to have a competitive price point, making it an attractive option for those looking for a reliable, stylish, and fun motorcycle without breaking the bank. While prices may vary depending on the market and specific variants, it still remains one of the best value propositions in its segment. Conclusion. And so there you have it, the 2025 Royal Enfield Classic 350 is a stunning blend of nostalgia and modernity. Whether you're a longtime Royal Enfield fan or a newcomer to the brand, this bike offers something for everyone: timeless design, solid performance, and modern features. If you're in the market for a bike that combines classic charm with contemporary improvements, the 2025 Classic 350 is a top contender. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.